This is one of the worst dust storms that we've had here. So, to give an idea, this is the standard color white. This is what it's like outside. As soon as I step outside, the camera's going to adjust. So it's not going to be as orange as it actually looks out here. But it's pretty bad. Visibility is about 1/4 of a mile. I guess from the position of the sun, it is very, very red outside right now. So, here I am with 1 month left in theater. Unfortunately, we have some guys trying to get out today to go back home. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Nothing's flying. This is might as well just give a tour while I'm at it. Some of our rooms here, a water tank. It's our little converted picnic area now, and a ping pong table, which is very dusty at the moment. It's a very storm. Logistics in our temporary living facility. Alarm going off from the dust getting into the smoke alarms here. It's pretty typical. Our logistics and storage area. My office is back there. This is what we're packing all of our gear up into to leave. This used to be my office over here. Little canal and our headquarters building. The wind kicking up, it's just going to get worse. Let's see. This used to be a swimming pool. And this used to be it's a garage of some sort. It's converted bedrooms now. It's where you get to go to the bathroom, porta potty. So everybody gets around now because we have no trucks. Buses. This is our co-op latrine. You can see it's male and female for showering. And we're going to go up on the top of Z25, our headquarters. Get a good idea of how dusty really it is. This wall right here is about 200 feet, and right on the other side is the airfield. Barely see the wall, and yeah, the airfield's definitely non-existent right now. That's it. Signing off.